Hello everyone and welcome back. With hearts full of joy and gratitude, I take you to a very special day in our parish life. That is, on 31st of January, we witnessed a historic moment, the inauguration of a newly constructed church, a dream that lived in the hearts of our parishioners for many years. And on the next Friday, we gathered once again for the beautiful Gratitude Day, a day to thank God for His countless blessings and to celebrate this milestone together as one parish family. It was arranged in the evening. With the thanksgiving in our hearts, we entered into a time of adoration, a prayer followed by the Holy Mass, offering our gratitude to the Lord for guiding every step of this journey from the foundation stone to the completion of the sacred place of worship. After the spiritual celebration, the atmosphere turned festive and joyful as a cultural program began. The event opened with a delightful and graceful dance performed by our little children. Their innocence, smiles, and enthusiasm filled the entire gathering with happiness and pride. It was truly a wonderful sight to see the young members of our parish offering their talents for God's glory. The celebration continued with the fun-filled games organized for everyone from nursery children to school students, youth, adults, and even our elders. There was something for each group. Laughter echoed throughout the ground as parishioners participated with great excitement. These moments of togetherness reminded us that the church is not just a building but a loving community bonded with faith and fellowship. The special part of the program was felicitation ceremony. With deep respect and gratitude, we honored everyone who worked tirelessly for the construction of the church. Their dedication, sacrifice, and vision turned into a long cherished dream come into reality. The parishioners came together to gift a car to Father Isobio, who was the driving force behind the completion of the church. Through his tireless effort, dedication, and vision, the long cherished dream came into reality. It was a moment of heartfelt appreciation and thanksgiving. The celebration beautifully reflected the unity and the spirit of parish. Smiles, conversations, and joyful moments filled the evening as everyone came together like one big family. The program concluded with a grand community dinner where all the parishioners shared their meal together, a symbol of love and gratitude togetherness. The Gratitude Day was not just a celebration of a building but a celebration of faith, unity, and God's blessing in our lives. May this church always remain a place of prayer, hope, and love for generations to come. Thank you for watching and being a part of this joyful celebration. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave your blessings and comments below. God bless you all.